Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, I'm just putting my child 1 second.
Okay.
Sit down.
Hello.
Okay. This is Javir. He is 7 years old. I will leave him here with you. Jaji,
Okay.
sit nice. Okay.
Hello, Javir.
Hi,
How are you, beta?
good.
Hmm. What is your favorite hobby?
Football,
Football. Okay. And which is your favorite subject?
um, math.
Maths. Okay. You love reading books and all?
Yeah,
Do you hear the stories and all?
yeah,
Hmm. And what else you like? Do you love drawing?
yes.
Okay.
You have to ask questions.
Okay, Javid, today I'll be teaching you some concepts of fractions. Have you heard about it? What are fractions, beta?
Yeah,
Sorry, ma'am. I'm just interrupting because he already
Yeah.
did one demo and he's done the fractions already with the demo.
Okay, so shall I go with another one?
Yeah.
times.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. Just give me a minute, beta, okay? I'll go with time. Okay,
Favorite.
so you must be knowing, Javid, we need time in our day-to-day life, right? We need time for everything. Like when you have to wake up, you need to set the alarm, right? If you have a
Yeah,
school, let's suppose if you have school at 7 o'clock, you need to reach there before 7. So you will be waking up by 6 o'clock, right? So you need to look at the time, correct? And where do we look at the time? Where do we
and
get
the
to see the
clock.
time? In the clock. Very good. So you have a fixed routine, right? Whenever you have to go with the time, you have a fixed routine. What schedule you will be following in the morning, then again, at what time you will be coming back from your school, at what time you will be having your lunch, then what time do you have to study, what's your evening playtime, right? You must be having a routine set for each and every work, correct?
Hmm.
So, time is very important in our day to day life, okay? It tells you many things, like it tells you what events have taken place in the past, what events are going on in the present, and what events it will be taking on in the future, okay? So, along with the clock, we also need the calendar for the events, okay? Let's suppose if I ask you, Javid, when was your birthday last year? Can you tell me the weekday? You
May
remember? You remember the last year when was your birthday? So when is your birthday?
3rd.
Okay. So here you need to know the weekdays, right? Now, definitely everyone will not be knowing the weekdays. Last year, which weekday it was. Okay. So, what you will be referring? You will be referring to the calendar. Now, suppose if I go with
My birthday.
anything, like for any festival also. For example, if I ask you, when did you celebrate Holi? So, do you remember the date this year? When did you celebrate Holi in 2025?
No.
No, you don't remember, right? So, you will be referring back to the calendar, correct? So, both time and calendar goes hand in hand, okay? Whenever you need the time, you also refer to the calendar. That's why over here, whenever you have to go with any weekdays, any months, any, let's suppose you want to go with any particular date, you have to refer to the calendar. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So here we will be learning few basic things. We have two hands in our clock, right, beta?
Yeah.
The first one is the hour hand, and the second one is
Minute.
minutes hand. Correct. So the hour hand is the smaller one, the shorter hand that we have, right? Here you can
Yeah.
see this is the shorter one. So this shorter hand is your hour hand. Okay, focus beta. Focus. And this is your longer hand na beta. The one which is pointed at 6. Correct? So this is your longer hand. So we call this as minute hand. Okay?
Okay.
Now, how many numbers do you see in a clock?
12.
12 numbers. Correct. So a clock basically takes 2 rounds in a day. First, it starts from the midnight 12 and it takes one complete round which covers 12 hours. Okay, beta? And then we reach in the 12 noon, that is the afternoon. Okay? And again it starts another round in the same manner. So after 12 noon, it goes for another round, the second round. Again, it will cover 12 hours. Okay? Till midnight. Okay? So here, a clock always takes 2 rounds in a day. Okay? So first it covers 12 hours, which is AM time. Okay? And then again it covers another 12 hours, which is your PM time. Yes. So 12 plus 12, total how many hours a clock covers
24.
in a day? 24 hours. Very good. So we have 24 hours in a day. Okay? And in one day, we have how many minutes? So how you will be doing? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay? Just like we have 24 hours in a day, each hour is divided into different sections, smaller sections, which is known as minutes. Okay? Similarly, minutes is also divided into smaller sections, which is known as seconds. Okay? So, here 1 hour we have 60 minutes. So, if I ask you, how many minutes do we have in 2 hours? So, what you will be doing, beta?
120 minutes.
Yes, exactly. So, you will be either adding 60 plus 60 or you can go with 60 times 2, which is 120 minutes. Okay? So, here, when you are supposed to calculate for 24 hours, again you will be doing in the same manner. For 24 hours, what we do? We just simply multiply 24 times 60. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
Now, another thing. Can you see these small sections over here in the clock over here?
Where?
In the clock, beta, the one which I'm marking with red color.
Yeah.
Can you see these?
That's a minute.
Yes, they are your minutes. Very good, very smart. This is your 1 minute. Okay. So here, when your minute hand moves from one number to another number, it covers 5 minutes. See, let's suppose over here you have the minute hand at 6. Now it will be covering 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, and then 5 minutes. So when it is moving from 6 to 7, it covers 5 minutes, right, beta?
Yeah.
So every time when a minute hand moves from one number to another number, it covers 5 minutes. Okay? Similarly, when an hour hand moves from one number to another number, it covers 60 minutes, 1 hour. Okay?
Okay.
So here again, this is when it is moving from one number over here, like here, if it is suppose pointing at 1, and if it needs to move to 2, then it is covering 60 minutes, complete 1 hour. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So these smaller sections are your minutes, and a clock is divided into 60 equal parts. So that's why we have 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Now here we comes to next one over here. See, we have two ways of representing the time. First, you can represent the time by looking at the clock by saying like it's 7:05, 7:10, like that. Correct?
Mm-hmm.
Another way, what do? We represent it in the words. Okay? So here, excuse me. So half of the clock is referred by the word past, and half of the clock is referred by the word to. Okay? Now, I am making the hands over here. Then I'll explain you how we read the time. Let's suppose I'm marking this hour hand at 5, and the minutes hand I'm pointing at 12. So this is exactly what time, beta?
It's 5 o'clock.
Yes, very good. So I'll be writing over here 5
5
o'clock.
o'clock.
Yes, correct. This is 5 o'clock. Now, let's suppose if I move this hand, the minute hand from 12, if I just move this to 1, let's suppose I move this from 5 o'clock to 5:05, correct? I'm just
Okay.
moving the minute hand from 12 to 1. That means it is covering 5 minutes, right?
Yeah.
Now the time is 5:05, right, beta?
Mm-hmm.
So how do we write? We write like this. 5 is your hour hand. This is your hour hand. And for the minutes, we write in 2 digits. So I'll be writing 05. This is 5:05. Okay? And in between this hour and minutes, we have 2 dots. You can see these 2 dots, which is known as colon. Okay? So when you represent the time, we write the hour hand on the left hand side. What is the hour hand denoting? The time for the hour on the left hand side. And for the right hand side, we write the digits, 2-digit number in minutes. What does the minute hand represent in the clock? Okay. And in between these two hour and minutes timing, we have two dots, which is referred to as colon. This is colon, beta. Okay.
Okay.
This is 5, 5. This is one way of representing the time. Now, another way of representing the time is, see, we are just moving 5 minutes ahead of 5 o'clock. Correct, beta?
Yeah.
So we will be writing 5 minutes past 5 because we are just moving 5 minutes ahead. So 5 minutes past 5. Why do we use the word past? Because we have already crossed 5 o'clock. Now after 5 o'clock, we are moving to the next 5 minutes. So that's why we are saying 5 minutes past 5. Is this clear?
Yeah.
So whatever the hour hand is denoting, you will use that time over there. You will be writing that time. But yes, after the word past, you will denote the time, what minutes it is denoting you in the clock. Then you will be using the word past and then the hour hand, what time it is showing you in the hour hand. Okay.
Okay.
So there are two ways of representing time. One in the numerical form, another one in the words form. Okay. Now, next, let's move this hand from 1 to 2. I am moving this hand. Can you see this better?
Yeah.
Yes. Now, can you tell me what's the time now?
10 minutes past 5.
Yes, very good. You understood this. So this is 10 minutes and past what time? It is 5. So 10 minutes past 5. And how do we represent it in the numerical form, beta?
10 to 5.
This is 5 and 10. 5 I'll be writing for the hour hand and 10 I'll be writing for the minutes hand. Okay? 10 minutes. After 5, we are moving 10 more minutes. So this is 5:10. Okay? Next.
Okay.
Next comes quarter. Quarter always means 15 minutes. So instead of writing 15 minutes, we use the term quarter. Okay? So
Okay.
quarter past 5. Again, why do we use 5 over here? Because we are already crossing 5 o'clock and now it is 15 minutes. So when this minute hand moves from 2 to 3, this is covering 15 minutes, right? Every time when the minute hand moves from one number to another number, this is covering 5 minutes. Again, this is covering another 5 minutes. Again, this is covering another 5 minutes. So 5 plus 5, which is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. So this covered 15 minutes. So that's why we say quarter past 5. Okay? And if we need to represent this in the numerical form, we can write this as, what do we write? Tell me, Javeer. How do we write in the numerical form? Like we wrote over here 5, 5. This is 5, 10. So what do we write?
15 and 5.
5, 15. Okay. When you represent the time, we always represent the hour hand first. So 5, 15. Okay, beta?
Okay.
Now, next. If I move the hand from 3 to 4, what will be the time now? See, I move the hand from 3 to 4. How many
20
minutes it is
minutes
passing?
past 5.
Yes, absolutely correct. 20 minutes
5:20.
past 5. Yes. And the numerical form to represent is 5:20. Very good. Okay. Next, again, if I move this minute hand from 4 to 5, then what do we write, beta?
Half 25 minutes past 5.
Yes, correct. And in the numerical form?
5:25.
Absolutely correct. Now, I'll be just moving this minute hand to 6, which is covering exactly half of the clock, right?
Mhm.
So
Half
we-
past 5.
Yes, for 30 minutes, when it is covering the 30 minutes, we represent by half.
5:30.
Yes, which is 30 minutes now over here. So we write half, okay? Because it is already covering half of the clock. So half past, it is covering half past 5 because it is crossing 5 o'clock and it is covering 30 more minutes. So this is half past 5 and the numerical form is 5:30, which is absolutely correct over here. Now, the past term is over. Everywhere we covered this
Now
past
it's
term.
2.
Yes,
It's
now
2.
2. But 2 will not be covering the hour which has passed. No, 2 will be covering the next hour which will come. Okay? So whenever
Yes.
you are writing, yes, 2 will always cover the next hour. That means the next, after 5 o'clock, what will be the next hour, beta? After 5, it will move to 6, right?
6.
The hour hand from 5 will move to 6, right?
6:30.
No, not 6:30. You will be only referring this how many minutes is left for the next hour. Okay? So after
30
the
minutes.
word 2, you will writing 6. You will be writing over here 6 everywhere after the word 2. That is the next hour. After the word 2, you will write the next hour, which is 6. So 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. But now, how many minutes are left for 6 o'clock? You need to find out that. Okay? So the moment I move this hand, the minute hand, if I move this from 6 to 7. Now you just need to find out how many minutes are left for the next hour. So see, from here to here, this is 5 minutes, right, Javir?
Yeah.
From 7 to 8, if it moves, it will cover 5 minutes. Another 5, that means 10 minutes. Again, another 5, which is 15 minutes. Again, another 5, which is 20 minutes. And again, another 5, which is 25 minutes. That means 25 minutes is left for 6 o'clock. Okay? So here, what you will be writing? 25 minutes to 6. This is the way when we are writing 2, you need to refer to the next hour, which is 6 o'clock over here. And how many minutes are left? So here we are not counting the minutes which has passed. Here we will be going for the minutes which is left for the next hour. Okay? So
Can I
now,
have some water, please?
yes, Petra, you can. Okay, shall I continue?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is 25 minutes left, right, beta, for 6 o'clock? So I'll be
Yeah.
writing 25 minutes to 6. And to write the numbers, to write the timing in the numerical form, you will write in the same manner. Like after 5:30, this will be 5:35. Okay, beta?
Okay.
Here you will have no changes. Here this will keep on moving in the same manner. So this is 5:35. Next time this will be 5:40. Next this is 5:45. Next is 5:50. Then this is 5:55. And the moment it comes over here, When it is covering the complete 60 minutes, it becomes the next hour. So this will be written as 6 o'clock. You will not write 5:60. Okay? Don't write 5:60. We always go with the next hour. So after 5 o'clock, this becomes 6 o'clock. And similarly, you can just check it out. If your clock moves over here, if the minute hand moves from 7 to 8, you are left with 20 more minutes for 6 o'clock, right? So I'm writing 20 minutes to 6. Focus better.
Okay.
Now when we are moving over here from 8 to 9, what do we observe over here? How many minutes are left for 6 o'clock?
15.
15 minutes. So which term do we use for 15 minutes? Quarter.
2.
Quarter I said, na? So quarter to 6. 6 o'clock we are left with 15 minutes. So quarter to 6. Again, when this clock over here, when the minute hand moves from 9 to 10, then you are hardly left with 10 more minutes for 6 o'clock. So you will be saying 10 minutes to 6. When it comes over here, this becomes 5 minutes to 6. Right, beta?
Yeah.
And now, in the last over here, the moment this comes over here at 12, even the hour hand comes at 6. So what do we say over here? This is exactly 6 o'clock. Now, did you understand?
Yeah.
So there are two ways of representing the time, okay? One in the graphical format, the number format, and the another one in the words format. In the words format, we use the word past and to. Past for the half of the clock, to for another half of the clock. So, past the hour which has passed and to the next hour. Even for the minutes, minutes which has passed, and the next one is minutes which is left for the next hour. Okay?
20. Okay.
Okay. Now let me just go on to the next one. Let me just check if you understood this or not. I'll be giving you some time and you need to tell me what time is this. Okay, you will be telling me in both the ways.
The
So-
first one is 6 o'clock.
Yes, that's correct. 6 o'clock. And when you have to represent this in the numerical form, you can write this as 6:00. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. How do you represent this?
Quarter past.
Not past. The
Quarter to-
minute hand.
Quarter to
Hmm.
3.
Yes, absolutely correct. The next hour will be 3 o'clock. So quarter to 3. And how do we represent it in the numerical form, beta?
9, 3, 15.
No. This is still not 3. This is your hour hand. This is your minute hand. So first, this is between 2 and 3. So you will write 2 because it is still not 3 o'clock. Okay? So you
Okay.
will write 2. And again, how many minutes it has covered? 5,
50.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 minutes. Correct?
Okay.
So you will write 2:45. Okay? Go with the next
Okay.
one. What time does it show?
What?
What time
This
does
one.
it show? Yes, the third one.
8:30.
8:30.
8:30.
Yes, that's correct.
7:30. 7:30.
Not 7. It's still not 7. It is lying between 6 and 7. So you'll go with the smaller number.
6:30.
Yes, that's correct. This is 6:30 and 6:30.
1:15.
Yes, correct. 1:15. And how do you write in the
1:15.
numbers? 1:15.
1:15.
Very good.
1 minute.
So again, this is between 4 and 5. So what time you will write?
4.
And how many minutes it has covered?
1 minute. Papa, there's something here. 4. 5. No. 20.
No. How many minutes? Count the minutes, beta. Start from 1. Count the minutes.
5, 10,
minutes,
15, 20, 20.
See, this is 5. This is 10. This is 15. This is 20. You need to go for the minute hand. Okay. For the minutes, you will look for the minute hand. This is red color. So this is 25, 30, 35,
35, 40, 45, 50.
45. So it is coming 45 minutes over here. So this has covered 45 minutes. After 4, 45 more minutes. Okay.
Okay.
So this is 4:45. For the hour hand, you will look at the green color. For the minutes hand, you will be looking at the red color hand. Now, how do you write in words? How many more minutes is left for the next hour?
A quarter.
Yes, quarter. And what time? Quarter to what? It's between 4 and 5.
4.
The next time.
Quarter to 4.
Next time, it's between 4 and 5. It has already surpassed 4. See, green has already crossed 4, right? So now
Quarter
it will
to
be
5.
coming at 5. Yes.
What are we doing after this?
I'll be doing some more. AM and PM I'll be explaining you. So as I told you, a clock takes 2 rounds in a day. First, it covers the 12 hours, which is known as AM. It starts from the midnight 12 and it goes till 12 noon, which is AM. And again, another 12 hours starts from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Okay, this is PM. Now, let's suppose if I talk about some timing over here, you need to mention whether it will be AM or PM. Okay. So here, what will be the time? Along with AM, PM, you will be writing. So 2 hours, 30 minutes after 10 AM. So after 10 AM, if you add another 2 hours, 30 minutes, what will be the time, beta? You can do this mentally.
12 a.m. 12 a.m. 12:30 a.m.
Yes, but it's not AM. When you are crossing 12,
PM.
it becomes PM. Yes. See, after 10, you have to move 2 hours, right? So start counting after 10. This is 11. This is 12. So for the hour hand, you will write 12. And how many minutes? 30 minutes. So you will put a colon. You will write 30. And because it is crossing 12 noon, here this is AM. And now it is crossing 12 noon. So this becomes PM. Okay?
Okay.
Now, next. This is 7:35 PM. That means this is the evening time. Now, you need to go
1.
4 hours, 30 minutes. So first add 4 hours. After 7:35,
2:05 p.m. a.m.
You need to move after 7, not before, after. After 7, so add 4 hours. This is 7:35. The
11.
time and 4 hours, 30 minutes. You need to add this. So this is the hour hand, this is the minute hand. Okay, beta? So first tell me, what is 35 plus 30?
35 plus 30. 65.
65. We don't write 65 minutes because 1 hour is 60 minutes, right?
Yeah.
That means over here, this will be 5 minutes and 1 hour we will add over here. 60 minutes we got now. So 1 hour we will add over here. So now what is 7 hour plus 4 hour?
12.
7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay?
12:05 a.m.
Yes, very good. After evening, if we add this and we are moving to midnight, 12, after this, the time will be AM, 12:05 AM. Next, this is 11:45 AM. This is the morning time. Now again, you need to add 40 more minutes to it. Let's add, this is 11:45 beta. And you need to add 40 minutes. So minutes you will write on the right hand side. So I'm just writing below this. Now add, what is 45 plus 40?
Uh,
5
I'll
plus
check my-
0. 5 plus 0. What is 5 plus 0?
5 plus 0 is 5.
And 4 plus 4?
8.
8. That means again this is more than 60. So whenever this number is more than 60, you will be adding 1 hour over here. Okay, and then when we subtract 60 minutes over here, how much we are left with? We are adding 1 hour because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So now how many minutes we are left with?
Go. 1 minute, can I go say bye to my mommy?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yes, Peta. See, they're telling you 11:45, right? Let's
Mhm.
go with that time over here. This is 11.
Okay. How long's left?
Just 5 more minutes, Peta.
Okay.
You need to go somewhere?
No.
Okay, this is 11 and this is 45. I'm going with the minute hands over here. Okay, and the hour hand. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now they are asking you if you add 40 more minutes to it, then what time it will be. So here, when you add 30 minutes, you will be reaching.
Yeah.
When you add 30 minutes, you will reach from 9 to 3. Correct, beta?
Yeah.
This is covering 30 minutes, right? And if you cover another 10 minutes over here, this will minute hand will reach at 5, right?
Yeah.
That means over here, the time will cross 12 and now it is reaching at 5 over here, the minute hand, which is 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this becomes 12:25. And because it is crossing the noon time, 12 o'clock, so this becomes PM. And another way, what did I say? When you add 45 plus 40 minutes, you are getting 85 minutes, which is more than 60 minutes. So we simply take this 60 minutes and add in 1 hour. And then you are left with 25 minutes over here. And this is again the 12. So this is 12 hours and 25 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
For this 60 minutes which we are subtracting over here, I am adding 1 hour over here. Because 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. That's why. Okay. So here
Okay.
also we got the same thing. 12:25. Now you need to add 1 hour 10 minutes before. You don't need to add, you need to subtract. Before 1 o'clock, 1 hour 10 minutes. What
12.
time it will be?
12, 10,
1 hour 10 minutes.
12, 11:50
Yes,
a.m.
11:50. And it should be AM or PM because this
PM.
is midnight. This
PM.
is night time. So this is PM. Yes. After midnight, this time is okay. Next one. Again over here. This is 1:20 p.m. That is the afternoon time. And now they're asking you to subtract 1 hour 35 minutes from it. So move back. You need to go back. 1 hour 35 minutes. So
11.
First, if you move back 1 hour, it will be
15 a.m.
Say, if you move back 1 hour, it will be 12:20, right, beta?
Mhm.
Now move back 30 more minutes. Move back 30 more minutes. Subtract 30 minutes from 12:20. This is 11:50, right? Again, you need to move back 5 more minutes because they are asking you to subtract 35 minutes. So this is 11:45. Is it clear?
Yeah.
First, we subtract the hour, which is 1 hour. They're asking you to subtract 1 hour. So I subtracted 1 hour, which is coming as 12:20. Then I simply subtracted 30 minutes and then again another 5 minutes. So this comes up to 35 minutes. So I got 11:45. And since it was afternoon time, now I came before 12. So this is the morning time. This is AM now.
Okay. But
Okay, beta. Did you like the demo?
yeah.
Did you understand the concept, how to read the time and all?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can just ask your parents to talk to the team, beta, okay?
Okay.
Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Take care.
But they're not here, my parents. They're going. Mummy went to the meeting. I'll tell it later.
Okay, no issues. When they'll be back, you can just inform them to talk to the team, okay?
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Take care.